This is a brief Los Angeles Mission College Library tutorial on how to format your paper using APA. For more information about APA style, go to the library's webpage. From the campus homepage, go to the library, and then under Research Guides, click on Style Guides. On our Style Guides page, there are tabs across the top. Click the tab for APA style, and you'll find our information handouts on the right side of the page. If you don't find what you're looking for in those handouts, look at the Purdue Online Writing Lab. They have comprehensive information on APA style for research papers. I will now demonstrate how to create an APA paper using Microsoft Word. First, insert page numbers into the header. Go to the Insert tab, select page number, top of page, plain number 3. The page number is inserted. You can click the red X to close the header. The cover page for an APA student paper begins with the title of your paper, 3 to 4 lines from the top. Press Enter 3 or 4 times. Type in the title of your paper. Use the Center Align button in the toolbar. Then select the text and use the Bold button in the toolbar to make the title bold. And then, about 3 to 4 lines down from that, begin typing your name. Remove the bold by selecting the text and clicking the B button in the toolbar. Then on the next line, type in the department and the college. Press Enter. On the next line, the name of the class, course and number and title. On the next line, the instructor's name, and then finally, the due date for the assignment. The paper should be double-spaced. Select All to highlight all lines of your paper. Then, in the bottom right section of Paragraph, click on that corner, and in Extra Line Spacing, click down to 0, and on Line Spacing, select Double. Now that you have finished the cover page, you can begin a new page by going to the Insert tab and selecting Page Break. And at the top of the new page, you can begin by typing or pasting the title of your paper, and then you can begin the first paragraph of your paper. You can start typing on the line below and then align that to the left. Go to the Home tab and select the Left Alignment button, and then go to the beginning of that line. Then press the Tab key on the keyboard to indent it 1/2 inch. And now you are ready to continue typing your paper.